Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Life with Sid. Hey girl, hey.
That's what love is. Like that is like what things are.
Who am I that I would push back? Is that the loving thing you made a bed for me to...
Guys, we are back, and we are back with a double unboxing. Yes, a Louis Vuitton double unboxing. I have not purchased anything from Louis Vuitton. It's probably been over a year. I think over a year. Yes, it's probably been a year since I actually made any bag purchases from Louis Vuitton. Oh wow, that's a long time. I'm not exactly sure. I'm gonna have to fact check that, and I'm gonna put it right here on the screen, but it's been a while. My main focus has been learning other brands like Hermes. So I have not really been checking for Louis Vuitton. I have seen a few pieces that caught my eye, but I just like put it on a back burner because I know that I wanted to learn more about the Hermes brand. I wanted to invest and just like change up. I just want to change up. Sometimes you just got to change up, level up, and things like that. So that's what I have been doing. So I have not had anything from Louis Vuitton in so long, and I got a gift from Babe. Like I said, this is a double unboxing, and y'all know Louis Vuitton have some really nice pieces, but I just feel like the price increases on a canvas is just like tremendous. It's just like out of this world. So that's why I haven't been picking up any pieces. I don't want to spend my money that much on the canvas, but some of the items I could not resist, and I was looking at it, and I told my husband that I thought they were so adorable that he just purchased me one. So I'm not going to ramble. We're just going to get right into it. So it's been so long since, like I said, since I did an unboxing for Louis Vuitton, and I'm super excited, and I hope you guys enjoy it. So I know you probably can see these big boxes back here. These are the boxes that we're going to be unboxing. I'm trying to figure out the best way for me to unbox these without it being a mess. So we just gonna try and see what happens. So without further ado, let's just get right into this Louis Vuitton double unboxing. So y'all know Louis Vuitton has a new creative director. Louis Vuitton has been dropping so many items, so many different items, dressing up the Monogram, and I'm loving it. But the prices, I'm not loving it. Like the Speedy, when I first seen on the runway show the Pharrell line, the Speedy, oh my goodness, I was like, oh, I have to have that. But when the price dropped, I was like, no. I cannot do it. I mean, you definitely have to be a straight collector for Louis Vuitton, or just so in love with it. 10,000, 12,000 for the 10,000. I think for the Speedy 25. I couldn't do it. Your girl couldn't do it. But when I seen this travel update or whatever they was doing, I don't even know if it's still available, but I was like, I need to add this to my collection. So we're just gonna get right into it. I'm not even going to ramble. I'm going to open this giant package and let's see what we got. I just right now. Struggling over here. I'll tell y'all I'm struggling with this full tab. All right, here we go. Oh wait, look how big this is. Louis Vuitton. This is humongous. And it's in this big Louis Vuitton box. Okay. I'm pretty sure y'all can see. Y'all may have an idea what this is. Let's get a thumbnail. All right. This is probably my receipt. Oh, this is work, y'all. Wait, let me fan myself a little bit. Having a little hot flash. All right. This is my receipt. And then just exchanges and returns. But y'all know we're not doing that. And comes with a little card if you want to write yourself a note. I did not do that this time. The bow and the little handle. Let's just get it right open. Let's just get it out. And let's just collapse the box. All right, it comes in this giant dust bag. Can y'all see? What do we have here? We have a Keepall 50 with the fuchsia pink. Oh my God, it's so cute. The inside is fuchsia pink as well, or hot pink. Comes with a strap. This is the bandolier. It is hot pink as well with the silver hardware. That's the only thing that made me think about this purchase, is because I am a gold girl. I love everything gold.
I love gold.
But this pink, I told y'all when I got my pink Chanel, the fuchsia pink has just been calling out to me. Really, like, Syd. Yeah, this is a Keepall 50. I can't remember if it was a 55 because I do have this with the black and the 55, I think. But this is a 50. The ones with the color did not come in the 55. At least when I ordered mine, it did not come in the 55, which the 50 is good. It's really good. Look at it. Oh my goodness, this is so cute, so adorable. A very nice overnight bag. 2-day vacation, 3-day vacation. You can fit a lot in this Keepall 50. Oh my goodness, how cute is this? I love it. And it has the little lock inside the bag, the lock and the key, and it's silver. It smells so good, so brand new. Here is the lock and the key. I don't think I ever put the lock on my Keepall 55. But yes, this is the Keepall 50. And me and Babe will have matching bags because I'm going to give him my black one. This is so cute. They did have a matching toiletry, but I'm like, you know what? I already have a toiletry set. I'm not going to invest in no more toiletry stuff. But I did really, really like this pink. So you already know. If you know, you know. You know me. You know Syd has to have matching luggage, okay? You already know. They did have a niece as well, but I was like, no, I have a niece, a BB or whatever it is, the little Talltree bag. And then I have the Talltree 26, 15, and whatever the other size is. So I just had to add another piece. Let me just open it up and just show you guys how it looks. This is so big. So I'm just gonna get this out the box. I should have did this before I started recording, but I was not thinking, and I'm ready to go out to dinner with babe. So I just wanted to get this video out to you guys. So it's another huge box, and this one is taped up pretty good. Comes with the receipt and the return instructions. The big giant Louis Vuitton. Oh, this one's much heavier. So here it is. All right, so guys, you know I had to get the matching Horizon 55. So I'm gonna take it out the box. Let this box collapse down. That is perfect. Oh my gosh, I'm working over here, I'm working. Here it is. The Louis Vuitton Horizon 55 in the monogram canvas with the fuchsia pink details. Like, do y'all see this? Like, do you see this fuchsia pink? How cute is this with this fuchsia pink details? Oh my goodness. And I think this is the, let me look in here. This one looks smaller. No, it's the same size. It's the Horizon 55, the very same size that I have, that I already have. But like I said, I'm going to give that to my husband. We have matching Louis Vuitton luggage. And look, the inside is pink as well. And I just love it. Comes with a pink luggage tag. I am going to consider getting this hot stamped. And it comes with a care booklet. And this is the Horizon 55. And it's just like the other one. It's just colored in the inside. The other one I have is black. And it is super cute. I love the matching set. And I'm going to give y'all the product code number just in case you're interested. But I probably will link it. I'm not even going to show the product code number. I'll just link it below if it's still available. I ordered this a while ago and I just never unboxed it. So yeah, I will go into more details maybe on another video, maybe a pack with me video, a vacation video. I'm not going to say where I'm going, but I will be going on vacation very soon. Hint, hint, the luggage. So yeah, and the wheels on here is just so smooth. I did consider the Ramoa, I think that's what it's called, but I just had to have my monogram with the hot pink, and it's just perfect to match my Chanel jumbo bag. Yes, I can't wait to rock it when it's time for vacation. Excuse me. But that is it for this Louis Vuitton double unboxing. Like I said, it's been so long since I unboxed anything from this luxury house, and I'm just super excited that I purchased it with the hot pink. It looks so good. I don't know if this is like a limited edition. I didn't even check. I just seen it, add to cart, and yeah, that was it. I just love it. It's so cute, so bourgeois, and it matches my Chanel jumbo bag, the travel bag. Okay guys, that is it for this double unboxing. I hope you enjoyed it. Like I said, I will give you guys another more detailed video when it is time for me to pack for my vacation. I just wanted to unbox it really quick with you guys. You already know I love my citizens and I love sharing all my luxury goods with you guys. So if you're new here and you enjoyed this video and you're not an official citizen, I don't know what you're waiting for, girl. Hit that subscribe button, that bell notification, so every time I upload a video, you'll be notified and you'll become an official citizen. Yes, and unbox all the luxury goods with the family, okay? So let me know in the comments below how you feel about the Louis Vuitton luggage with the color details. Is it too much? Is it just perfect? Just let's get a conversation going, what you guys think about this collection. I haven't really seen too many people unbox these with colors, so I would like to know. Just drop a comment and let me know which color would you had went with, the yellow or the blue or the red. And y'all know red is my favorite color, but I did not pick up the red. I picked up the hot pink. I don't know what it is. The hot pink has been calling me. So, okay guys, that is it for this video. Till next time, sis signing off. Peace.
That's what love is, like that is like what things are.
Who am I that I would push back? Is that the loving thing you made of it?